Napidang ki babon ki jele akai ki bahe ki balayo ban Pynlong ha ki jala Meghalaya. Menda ka snamru ya ka 83rd National Table Tennis Championship 2022 on Pynlong ha ki jala Meghalaya. Ya ka nila pin bana ru mintu rang ba ka jala u konut ke sangma ha ka si palay jong ka tayo. U konut lay thu ba on Pynlong ya ka ni ka jele akai ha ka Sports Authority of India na ni ka Sai Indoor Training Center ha ne hu Shillong. Nadu ka khat pratrik hadu ka arpasantarik banaya yong menta ka snam. Kani kan day kasian ka baar ha ka bon Pynlong ya ka National Table Tennis Championship ha ka thanch tay la mingi ha kani ka jele ka lakhmilanti bo andon kumban rius pa san phongot kinong shembenta kintu be saus pa san phongot kinong ele ka ki coach bar ki we de kinong try ka jinglut na ka banda ban Pynlong ya kani ka tournament kan long shiklor san pholak tingka.
I am very pleased and I would like to take this opportunity to officially announce that Meghalaya will be hosting the 83rd National Table Tennis Championship 2021. This is one of the biggest tournaments that Meghalaya has hosted till date, among many others, but this is one of the biggest. And at the same time, this is only the second time that the biggest table tennis event is being hosted in the Northeast. We are expecting close to 650 participants, out of which 450 will be players and the rest will be coaches and supporting staff. Approximately arrangement for about 300 rooms have been made. Travel and other logistical arrangements have been made. We will be hosting this in the Sai Indoor Training Center at Nehu in Shillong, where we expect the hall to accommodate close to 20 tables, and this tournament will be held there. And the dates for this tournament will be from 18th of April to 25th of April 2022.